Ukraine's drone army helps wear down Russia's supply chain, mainly supply trucks carrying the last distance to the front line. The drones often carry RPG warheads, which consist of a shaped charge. The non-armored targets often get destroyed by a single strike of these, often leading to a fire to break out. But this must not always be the case, as a Russian filmed a Ural supply truck getting targeted by a FPV drone. It can be seen how quickly the drone comes in and strikes the top section of the truck, causing some parts to fly off and a temporary fire to be created. While uncertain if the truck got destroyed or only damaged, the strike was worth it either way, but usually ended in success, leaving one less truck for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.